Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium, WebDriver and ChromeDriver. WebDriver is the core interface of Selenium. It defines what actions we can perform on a browser, open a page, click elements, type, text, and read values. But WebDriver alone cannot control a browser. It needs a browser-specific driver. For Chrome, that driver is called ChromeDriver. ChromeDriver understands how to talk to the Chrome browser using Chrome's internal automation protocol. So the relationship is simple. WebDriver defines the commands and ChromeDriver executes them in the browser. When we create a ChromeDriver object in code, a new browser session is created and Selenium now has full control over that Chrome window. Here in console app, this line creates the WebDriver. ChromeDriver launches the real Chrome browser. Selenium uses WebDriver to tell Chrome to open a Cogmento. When Selenium sends commands like send keys, click, ChromeDriver passes them to the Chrome browser. This is how Selenium controls Cogmento automatically. WebDriver defines what Selenium can do, and ChromeDriver makes the browser actually do it. In the next video, we will look at the WebDriver lifecycle and how browsers start, run, and close. Thank you.